on World Cotton Day.
My dear cotton friends, I wish you all a happy cotton day. The coronavirus pandemic has wrought havoc on the Indian textile industry, and it has affected the Indian cotton industry very badly. Due to the coronavirus, Indian spinning mills were almost closed from 21st March 2020 till May June end. Luckily, Textile Ministry has come forward and has thought about the textile industry, and to support textile industry, government has reduced CCI cotton rates from 47,000 to rupees 35,000 per candy for a short period of time. Since cotton rate has reduced by rupees 12,000 per candy by the CCI, the spinning mills has got a new life, and as on today, Indian spinning mills are running 90 to 100% capacity and at good profitability. The biggest challenge now the cotton trade is going to face in upcoming cotton season is high rate of MSP, that is rupees 5,850 per quintal. If Jinners will buy at MSP rate, then cotton cost will come rupees 46,000 to 50,000 per candy state-wise. Even if farmers will sell 10% less than MSP rate, then also cost to Jinners will come rupees 40,000 to 43,000 per candy state-wise. We have to wait and watch another 1 month, then we will get a clear picture how and where Indian cotton market will go from here. From last 2 years, our cotton sowing area is almost reached to record level of 130 to 133 lakh hectare. But still, our cotton yield, except north, it is very less. Cotton Association of India has given many suggestions to the government to improve the yield in India. The new agriculture bill passed by the Indian government is good for the cotton growing farmers, because there was lot of restriction to the farmers to sell the kapas in other state. But now farmers are free to sell their cotton anywhere in the India without any restrictions. It is good for the cotton growing farmers. I have been requested to give my market views for coming season. As on today, Indian cotton rate is lowest in the world. So there is no chance to reduce Indian cotton rate from 37,000 spot. If our rate will maintain at this level around 37,000, then we can do huge export of cotton in coming season. That will be approximately around 65 to 70 lakh bales. The market range of the coming year for the cotton is from rupees 37,000 to 43,000 as per quality. The Indian market will be totally depend on CCI purchase of cotton. How much CCI will buy, and accordingly market will move. Today on Cotton Day, I want to request to all Jinners from all 10 cotton growing states to make a good packing of cotton bales for saving little money. Please don't spoil our Indian cotton name in Indian mills as well as international market. Please improve the packing of bales. As our Prime Minister's message to all Indian industries, our cotton and textile industry also accepted the challenge, and we are ready to improving our industry day by day. On behalf of Cotton Association of India, I want to wish everyone a wonderful new season. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.